Hello everyone, today I have steamed dumplings with pork stuffing, and the dumplings are shaped in flowers and the color is pastel pink from beets. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you. So I have pastel pink dough ball and the white normal dough ball. And how I made the dough, you can head to description box below. I have the description recipe written down there for you. So I divided the dough and I make into small balls for the white ones. For the pink one, I will roll them into thin strips, and I will show you how to make the color pink on top of the white, as you can see in the picture of the final products. By the way, this is the wrappers that I made with on-purpose flour and the water and sourdough starter. Okay, so I like to use sourdough in my dough for the dumpling doughs a lot because it adds the softness, tenderness to the dumplings. I've been making dumplings for a long time. I started making them without sourdough, and anytime I eat dumplings, it still have a little feel doughy to me, but since I added sourdough starter, it's perfect. So I have rolled the white dough out into the round about 3 or 4 inches in diameter. If you are in centimeters system, then it should be from 8 to 10. And the dough that I have weighed for the white dough about 20 grams. So let's make the second time. You notice that I brush some water around my white round. I want the pink strip stick very well into it, but you can skip that part if you don't like to, because the dough that we made at home right away like so is very tender and still have more moisture in it, and the dough will stick, no problem. So this is my stuffing. This is pork, ground pork, and I ground it myself, after I ground it with the seasoning and some of the garlic shallots and onion sauté, I put the stuffing back into the freezer for an hour or two, and then I take it out and continue grinding. That way the stuffing very elastic, bouncy, and I like it that way. It's a change because I do a lot of dumplings, and I always want something new. So this is how I shape the dumplings. You put the stuffing inside, and then you make it into 5 star like so, and then for each side you use your thumb to push a little bit to make a pattern, and then you stick it to the next following side of the star. And by doing so, you will have flower on top. So this is my last section. You can see I do it very slowly so that you can follow. And after I'm done, if you see somewhere that you need to have the adjustment, just pinch them together right there, and the top will be like a flower. You can see, look beautiful. Let's make another one. Remember, don't put so much stuffing. You will have trouble to hold the big stuffing inside. So make a star 5 size, and then use your thumb, push and push and push to the end, so like so. And I use a little water here to have it adhere. But like I said, I do that for someone buying the dough, or make the dough some days in advance. The dough dry out, then you need to smear it with water. But I have a fresh dough. I just make it and let it rest for 1 hour or so. So that way my dough is moist, and it's very, very easy to shape like so. Now I am in the final section here, and like I said, after you done pushing to make the petals, you can adjust here and there if you like to, until you see all the petals even, and you can see the bottom round and white. That's it. And you make more until you have no more dough or no more stuffing. If you have stuffing left over, don't worry, you can use that in many recipes, or adjust you mix with eggs and make a omelette, meat omelette. Okay, now my dough, my dumpling are ready for steaming, and I use the bamboo steamer. I have collected bamboo steamers along the years, and I have many of them, and I love them because they very good to steam. It don't have the vapors dropping on your food. Very nice that way. And that's it. Now we presented on the plate, and you are invited to taste them with me. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.